Yo, just want to do a quick review on this elephant print Air Jordan pullover. Just your run-of-the-mill jacket here, or maybe not. It's got your elephant print with your Air Jordan symbol, Nike Air. You know, you can't go wrong with pairing that up with your Air Jordan elephant print threes. That's just gonna go right on with it. The weather's breaking. It's warm in some parts of the country. You know, it's springtime, so you're gonna get a lot more rain. So why not look fly in your Air Jordan elephant print pullover? You got your few snaps here. Got your zipper. You got your big poncho pocket down here. It's pretty nice, pretty big and roomy. Of course, it has a hood on it. Wouldn't be a poncho pullover if it didn't. Just your regular elephant print all the way all over the jacket. You got your gathered sleeves here. Keep you dry as much as possible. So you can find this at your local Nike factory. It was 50% off of this price. As you can see how much it actually cost. That's for a jacket. But hey, you're gonna pay for quality and style. So I just wanted to do that quick little review of the Air Jordan poncho pullover. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in.